Hi, my name is Richard Rogowski, and I'm a broker associate at Galleria International Realty, working with the Rogowski and Shears Group. I'm here to show you 678 Kensington Place in Wilton Manors. This is a townhouse condo. It's on the market for $312,000. It's 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2 floors, and 1,200 square feet. So let's take a look. Entryway has a combination door. All impact windows and sliders throughout the unit. The great thing about this townhouse is that the association just replaced the roof this year in January. So it's a 20-year roof. The assessment is fully paid by the seller. So you get with this townhouse a new roof. So you have a remodeled kitchen. All stainless steel appliances, relatively new, all in really good condition. A dining area here that's open to the kitchen. And then walking over here, there is a AC closet. There's a tankless water heater. So this condo comes loaded with great features, from the impact windows to the tankless water heater, new washer and dryer, which I'm going to show you now. Nest. So there's a great little utility, I'll call it a utility hallway, but you can see the appliances are hidden away from view, but very accessible here. And the hallway leads to the half bath, which is a very large half bath. This living area is really unique. Not only do you have the mirrored walls, which enhance the sense of space, but you also have a working fireplace, which is unusual in Florida. And there are a few nights that you actually would use it. As I said, all impact windows and sliders. It's like a bulletproof door practically. Walk out here and you'll see that the seller has replaced the wooden deck with all treated wood, and also the balcony above. He extended the balcony to be a little bit bigger than it was originally, which gives you more space off the master bedroom. And if you go outside here, you'll see that there's plenty of space for a table and chairs, and then there's a very convenient nook for a barbecue for outdoor dining. This is the back of the condo, and as you can see, it's a private sort of garden view. Very quaint. You've got bamboo, you've got palm trees. It's very quaint and very peaceful. There is a pool with the association. It is around the corner. But it is on the water, which is really nice. Beautiful views of the canals around Wilton Manors. I should also mention that this townhouse is pet friendly. You can have 2 dogs here, up to 100 pounds each, so I would say very pet friendly. Walking down the hallway, we'll go to the upstairs now. So stairway leading to the 2nd floor, you'll have 2 very roomy bedrooms. We'll start with the master bedroom here in the back. This bedroom is about 15 by 20 feet, so you can see it's quite a large area, a lot of square feet. And then here is the balcony I was talking about. So again, impact slider opens out to the balcony, and you've got this really nice place where you can have your morning coffee or hang out, or just be, a nice peaceful area that you can hang out in. As you can see, it's the morning here. It's very quiet, but also very sunny. Coming back inside, I also want to point out there's plenty of closet space. You have 2 large master closets here in the bedroom. You can see here that there's lots of space, and the closet flows through, so even though you have these 2 doors, it's actually all closet on this wall. The master bedroom comes with an updated master bath, which has a full-size shower, and that was all done recently as well. When they redid the roof, they all came with new skylights. So new roof, new skylight, 20-year guarantee, no pending assessments for roof. So that's a great thing. Hallway linen closet's a nice size. Now we're into the guest bedroom, which is in the front, sort of west-facing part of the house. This is also a large bedroom. It has an ensuite bathroom, so it's perfect if you have a roommate or if you have a guest that wants their own bathroom. This is perfect. And this room looks out onto Kensington Place, nice quiet street. A little mention about Townhouse Isle. Townhouse Isle is in the middle of Wilton Manors. It is a dead end, it is an island, so you don't have any through traffic here. So it's very unique in the sense that you're right in the middle of Wilton Manors. You can walk to the drive, yet it's very peaceful and very little traffic. So that's pretty much it for the tour. Screen slider here on the front door. Like I said, this unit comes loaded with nice touches and great amenities. It's perfect for a first-time home buyer or somebody that's looking for a second home. Again, this is 678 Kensington Place. It is on the market for $312,000. Maintenance is $398 a month. That includes your water and sewer, also all the amenities, which is pretty much the pool and the common areas, and the condo building insurance. So this is a condo. It is not fee simple. You do have a condo governing body and bylaws for the condo. So anyways, $312,000. I am Richard Rogowski. Please give me a call at 305-546-5003 if you'd like a showing or more information. Thank you very much.